Imagine owning a piece of a luxury mall in New York, or an office leased to Amazon, and earning rental income every single month starting with just $10 to $50. Sounds crazy, but this is already happening. Problem: in the US, buying real estate is expensive. A decent rental property can cost $300,000 to $1 million plus. Then comes property taxes, maintenance costs, finding tenants, legal headaches, and after all that, average rental yield? Just 3%, 5%. Solution: REITs. Explained simply, this is where REITs, real estate investment trusts, come in. REITs are companies that own income-generating real estate, like malls, offices, warehouses, data centers. And here's the best part. By law, REITs must distribute 90% of their income to investors. Real examples as context. Realty Income pays monthly dividends. Prologis Plc owns warehouses used by Amazon. Simon Property Group SPG owns premium malls. These companies earn millions in rent, and you can own a part of them just like buying stocks. How you earn money. 1. Rental income dividends. Average yield 4%, 8% annually. Paid monthly or quarterly. 2. Capital appreciation. As property value increases, stock price goes up. Example: invest $1,000. Earn till the $50, $70 yearly passive income. Plus long-term growth. Why REITs are powerful. Start with as low as $10, $100. No property management stress. Fully liquid, buy sell anytime. Diversified across multiple properties. Professionally managed. Risks important. Interest rates rising, REIT prices may fall. Vacancy risk, tenants leave. Market volatility. But compared to direct real estate, risk is more manageable. Bonus: fractional real estate us. Platforms like Fundrise, RealtyMogul allow you to invest in real properties directly, not just stocks. Minimum investment can be as low as $10, $500. How to start: step by step. Open brokerage account, Robinhood, Fidelity, etc. Search REIT stocks like SPG PLD. Start small, $50, $100. Reinvest dividends, compound growth. Powerful ending. Real estate is no longer just for the rich. You don't need $1 million anymore. Start with $50 today and build your own real estate empire, one unit at a time. Call to action. If you found this helpful, like this video and share it with someone who wants passive income. Because smart investing isn't about how much you start with, it's about starting early.